Hey all, Will Healy here, and in less than 2 weeks, FABTECH's going to be in Chicago from September 13th to the 16th. While Balluff won't have a booth there this year, I'm going to be there speaking at the conference. I've got 5 different presentations for you. I've got a whole day Smart Manufacturing Bootcamp I'm working with a bunch of other amazing presenters on Wednesday. On Tuesday, I'm going to be presenting a roadmap to start your smart manufacturing journey, and then I'm also going to be presenting some other topics, and I want to show you some examples in real life of those right here. In my presentation, 5 steps to creating operational excellence in robotic joining, I'm going to talk about technologies and best practices used for robotic joining and welding. So things like protecting sensor cables and bunkering and protecting the sensor itself, or what kind of sensors you actually select and the materials you need to be able to have them survive, as well as I/O and other things. We're going to use real world pictures and examples just like this, and examples from real applications and real weld cells where you can see robotic joining in action. In my presentation with Jason Hughes, 5 steps to creating operational excellence in the press shop, we are going to talk about applications like die protection and how you can use sensors to do die protection. We're going to talk about connectivity solutions that allow you to not have nuisance stops from damaging cables. We're going to talk about condition monitoring and press setup applications where we can use technologies to make sure that the setup is correct every time. So join Jason and me in 5 steps to creating operational excellence in the press shop. In the presentation, Continuous Condition Monitoring for Existing Equipment on a Budget, I'm going to talk about how we can use basic automation sensors to do really cool things like this condition monitoring sensor here on this motor. We can monitor vibration and temperature, ambient pressure and humidity, and use those values to really gain lots of value from condition monitoring on a budget. So for your existing equipment, how can we do condition monitoring? We're going to talk about that in this presentation. I hope you found those interesting and really want to attend the presentation. Looking forward to seeing you at FABTECH. I'll make sure that there's a registration link in the conference. And if you can't attend the conference, but you'll be at the show, definitely shoot me a DM and we'll try to connect when we're at FABTECH this year.